Hey there tech fans, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review the latest flagship device from Apple, the iPhone 16. Let's dive in and see if it's worth the hype. Design and display. The iPhone 16 has a sleek new look with a slightly smaller notch and a more seamless glass design. The display is stunning with a 6.1-inch OLED screen that's perfect for watching videos and gaming. Performance under the hood. The iPhone 16 packs a powerful ASA 16 Bionic chip that delivers lightning fast performance. Whether you're multitasking or playing graphics intensive games, this phone can handle it with ease. Cameras. The camera system on the iPhone 16 is impressive with a quad camera setup that includes a wide-angle lens, telephoto lens, and ultra-wide lens. The photos are crisp and vibrant, and the new features like night mode and deep fusion make a big difference. Battery life and charging. The battery life on the iPhone 16 is solid, with a single charge lasting around a day and a half. And with fast charging, you can get up to 18 hours of battery life with just a 10-minute charge. Conclusion: so is the iPhone 16 worth the hype? In my opinion, absolutely. With its stunning display, powerful performance, and impressive cameras, this phone is a must-have for any Apple fan. Of course, there are some drawbacks like the high price point and lack of innovation in some areas. But overall, the iPhone 16 is a fantastic device that's definitely worth considering. Outro. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content, and we'll catch you in the next video.